The purpose of this code was to draw a picture where it includes flower, grass, sun, and fill in with the sky. My code works by using the custom blocks I created to organize and execute specific drawings. As right here, task picture is the main point and the starting point. And when green flag is clicked, within the pink picture block, it has fill sky, draw sun, draw grass, and draw flower. For draw flower, it's a very specific one. It has a specific point X value and Y value and to the block. Making my own box makes my life easier because it wraps up with the steps. Like, so when things are hard or when the code is very long, using the block editor will create a very simple and easy steps. For example, if I want to start like a code, if I want to make a very long code to a short code, you can press right click. You can right click on this and then edit. It will have this, and then this one makes the entire code easier. It's easier for you to figure out what errors you have. So if I also want to add more things to it, then I can make a new block and then do the same as as how these blocks are done. Write the code inside each block, and then it will operate after when the green flag is clicked. And let's see how the code works.